My name is Peter Kato. I'm a student at Kyambogo University, and I have a project. I'm past innovation, now I'm at production state, I'm at an industrial state. You'd ask me, what am I doing here? Basically, Peter, what I'm doing, I'm converting the waste. What is the waste we are talking about? I'm talking about the plastic waste. They used engine car oil and the rubber car tires. So when you get me the plastic, at the same time we have had measures, which measures they say that plastic can be converted, plastic can be reused, but we have never had a measure where plastic itself can be totally eliminated from the environment. So at this stage, my project, I am eliminating plastic to zero, but at the same time, making you wealth. Reducing pollution, but making you wealth, but at the same time, solving the environmental problem. So what am I doing? I get the plastic, what you call the engine car oil, they used plastics, this. So I use both the heavy dense and the low dense plastic. So when I get this plastic, I cut it down into small pieces. When I cut it down, I put it in my incinerator, of course with my hidden chemistry. That is the temperatures, chemicals, and... Now, when I put it in my incinerator, this is what I see. Now, that is the black thing. Now, when I burn this plastic, I give off a colorless gas. You would ask me, Kato, there's something untold. And I would go back a bit. When you burn this plastic in air or at the dustbin, which color do you see? You say black soot. Now, the black soot, I'll tell you, it's not a black soot actually. You say of a colorless gas. But this colorless gas, when it reacts with the oxygen, is one which gives you the black soot. So, in actual sense, I'm collecting that colorless gas before it reacts with the oxygen. Now that is the fuel. Now when I get that fuel, when I burn this in an oxygen-free environment at a given temperature, I get off a colorless gas. That colorless gas, I condense it via my condenser here. When I condense it, it gives me two layers. The two layers I have there are what I put here. So I have a lighter dense and a lighter biodiesel and a heavier diesel. The lighter diesel is what I use for fractional distillation and other chemicals to separate into different components, that's such as petrol, such as kerosene, such as 99% ethanol, and diesel.